back to my channel. So today I have a end of the summer SHEIN haul. This is actually a few of the pieces that I got and I've been wearing over the summer. I've been wearing these items for like 3 months already and I have been completely obsessed. They honestly like make my summer looks elevated. So I'm gonna do a quick little end of the summer haul and then stay tuned for my upcoming fall SHEIN haul. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I currently am on that time of the month and I am in pain. So this is the first 2 pieces that I got. So it's just this set. I love the color. It's baby blue. It's like this workout set and it's just so nice. The quality is amazing. Like it's super thick and the band is super snatching. It sucks everything in. This is what the back of it looks like. So it's just very flattering and it's definitely squat proof. Like it's not see-through at all. This color was perfect for the summer and I'm hoping to get this in a few other colors for the fall time because I feel like with some sneakers, ankle socks, and maybe like a little flannel or something, you can definitely make this work for the fall time. So this is the next item that I got. I love denim dresses. Denim dresses make me feel like a bad bitch. It just makes me feel like a businesswoman. I don't know why, it just does. So my favorite thing about this is that it's strapless. I feel like strapless really like flatters the body, especially if you have a smaller chest. And then what I love is that it's strapless, but it has this silicone grip. Oh my gosh, guys, ignore that, my nail fell off. It has this silicone grip right here, so it's not going to like keep slipping down when you're walking or when you're running or something. So that's why it's like one of my favorites, because this silicone grip really does grip onto your skin and I just feel more comfortable when I'm walking down the street, you know? So this is what it looks like. I believe I got this in extra small. Just really flatters the body. And then this is what the back of it looks like. So again, like it just hugs everything so nicely and I'm in love with it. This is the next item that I got. So this is actually a 4-pack. So it comes with 4 different dresses. Well, the same dress, but in different colors. So it comes in gray, pink, black, and then I think blue. I don't know. I don't remember. I know that one is in the washer. So what I love about these cami dresses is that you can dress them up or you can dress them down. So they're just these little strappy cami dresses and this is what the back of them looks like. They're super flattering, you guys. Like it really hugs your body and it's a thick material. The waist is like the slightest bit big on me. You know, I like having things suck me in like this, but it's still definitely workable. Like it's nothing out of this world. This is what the pink one looks like. It's just this beautiful soft baby pink color. So these dresses, you can definitely make it work for the fall time. Again, just throw like a sweater. Like with the pink one, I think a blue denim jacket like cropped would look so cute with some booties. This would be such a vibe for the fall time. This one, I feel like you can definitely dress it down, like more casual for the fall. You could probably throw on like a flannel and maybe some ankle socks with some sneakers. I think that would look super cute. Quality is like thick, you guys. Like it is not thin at all. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually a ribbed material. This is the next piece that I got. I'm holding it because it is definitely a little big on my waist. This is what it looks like without holding it. So it is a little big, but when you cinch it in and get it tailored, it is perfection. So it's just like this color block blue dress. You guys, I love this right here. I think I want this in a shirt. I've just never seen like a color block pattern like this. I think it's so pretty and so flattering. The material is super soft, like, and this stretches out a bunch. Like it's super stretchy, so it's breathable. I love the lightweight material. It has adjustable straps right here in the back. And then this is what the back of it looks like. So it is super figure hugging, super comfortable, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay guys, so this next dress is like one of my favorite buys of all time. But I feel like I'm gonna take this for pajamas because it's just that comfortable. So it's just this really pretty black lace detailing. It has a bunch of lace trimming right here. It's like the softest thing that I've ever felt in my life. Like it is so soft and comfy. You guys, I am so bloated right now. It's probably not the best time to be doing a try on haul. I have cramps and I'm bloated. But yeah, don't mind my blue stomach. This is what the back of it looks like. This is like the type of material that, like, when you walk, like, makes your booty jiggle, it makes your booty pop. Remind me to never do a try on haul when I'm on my period. Okay guys, this next one is honestly one of my all-time favorites. I actually didn't get to wear this one this summer. I just didn't have like an occasion for it, but I'm definitely gonna get a nice Instagram picture out of it because this outfit cannot go to waste. So it's just this two-piece set, and it is honestly, guys, like the prettiest thing I've ever seen. This would be perfect like on vacation in a tropical island. Color is just absolutely stunning. It's like the sage color. I've been obsessed with that color, and I feel like we can definitely bring sage into the fall time. Like, I think it'll go perfect hand in hand. And then this is what the back of it looks like. It's just very, very flattering and very pretty. And last but not least, we have this absolutely stunning mermaid midi skirt, whatever you want to call it. All I know is that it is amazing. This you can definitely bring into fall. Like, I feel like some businesswoman wearing this, like if I was in an office, like, let me go to my office, let me do businesswoman stuff, like this skirt screams like bad bitch got her shit together. So I'm obsessed with it. So let me bring you guys a little close. So it's just this beautiful, like, what would you even call this? Olive green, emerald green, olive green. Like, it's just stunning. Like, the color is beautiful. I think I would pair it definitely with like a black top. For the fall time, maybe like a little like tie up blouse. I think that would be really, really pretty. And it has this slit right here on the side, and then has ruching all throughout the butt and all on the side. And then this is what the back of it looks like. This is it from the side. I feel like with some red lipstick, like hair like nice and like curled, maybe some like black leather heels, like this would be such a vibe. So I'm obsessed with wearing this in the fall time. Like, best believe I am. And I gotta do that quick because in New York it gets cold like in 2 seconds. And here are some more things that I got, but I can't show you because they're in my boyfriend's house. So that's everything that I got from SHEIN. I'm gonna have everything listed down below. I'm also going to have a coupon code that you guys can use as always for a discount. Let me know if you're excited to see my fall haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.